What's up everybody, my name is Devil Mode, and I want to talk to you about an interesting investment opportunity called Nano Dimension. Now, who is Nano Dimension, you ask? Well, Nano Dimension is a pretty cool company. They do what they call additive manufactured electronics. Basically, they take a 3D printer and they print out electronics like printed circuit boards. Now you're thinking that might be, a little boring, but listen, when you understand how difficult it is to manufacture a printed circuit board, you'll understand why 3D printing a PCB is actually pretty cool. The reason why this type of technology is super exciting is because printed circuit boards are everywhere. They are everywhere, trust me. They're in your phones, your tablets, your computers, your microwave, your fridge. Basically anything that's electronic probably has a PCB in it. So when you think of it that way, the available market for a company like this is massive. Now on top of that, because it's additively manufactured, it really supports what we call rapid prototyping, which is basically a way to quickly get out a prototype so you can be able to test it and work with it and have something in your hands. When you're trying to prototype a PCB, it's going to be pretty expensive. You have what we call a lot of non-refundable engineering, or NRE, which is basically the cost it takes to set up a process to fabricate whatever you're trying to make. In this case, a printed circuit board. Now, for me personally, I can definitely see the benefit of having rapid prototyping, especially for something like a PCB. Now, in my field of mechanical engineering, I love using additive manufacturing to be able to quickly fabricate a mechanism and be able to test it and see what kind of results we would get from that. It's really nice to have this in your hands, be able to see it, look at it, understand how it's working, and you could catch something that you might have missed in the model, like how the hell are you supposed to put this together? So getting back on topic, Nano Dimension has a lot of potential here to target lots of different markets with their technology. This company has caught the interest of some big investors like ARK Invest. And actually yesterday, some news came out about a direct offering of 30 million shares at about $6 per share. It's about $180 million that this company can get. Now, the reaction to this news about the shares, this stock got nuked. It ended at about 743, 744 on Friday. And then come Monday, it dropped down a significant amount. Actually, I think went down to almost $6, which is where I was able to buy in. And it's still hovering around there. Now, even though the stock pulled back a significant amount due to this news, I don't think it's staying there too long. I think this is a great long-term investment. And it's going to continue to grow as it expands and captures more market. Well, that's all I got, guys. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you like this video, like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you very much. Have a great day.